Meteorologist Nathan Kitchens here, your latest weather update for Indianapolis. We're looking at more hot weather for Wednesday. We should see a mix of sun and clouds. The one change from today is the chance that we could see an isolated storm. That chance is there anytime through the day. I'm thinking around lunchtime and early afternoon is the best chance that we could see a few stray storms, but that coverage will be very isolated. So the chance that you actually get rain is low, but at least we have to mention the chance. But a mostly dry day, partly cloudy, with an eventual high temperature of 90 degrees for the afternoon. You can see as we go through our Wednesday, the better storm chances will continue to remain situated north of us here. You can see a couple spotty storms that may pop here tomorrow, especially late morning, early afternoon. And then tomorrow night, the storms look to stay to our north across lower Michigan, and we look to stay mainly dry. It looks like Thursday's a dry day with temperatures holding on to around 90 degrees. The best chance to get at least a little bit of rain will be Friday. We'll have a broken line of storms come through early afternoon Friday when a cold front comes in, but it's not a guarantee we'll get rain. It's about a 40 to 50% chance. It'll knock our temperatures down some, and it will lower that humidity. So as we go into the weekend, we can at least look forward to a little more comfortable weather here. Temperature around 60 Saturday morning will certainly feel nice with light humidity, but we're going to start to increase that heat and humidity pretty quickly. Look at Sunday, already back to the upper 80s. We're going to be in the upper 80s, not far from 90 degrees yet again early next week. Temperatures throughout this forecast, we're averaging as a whole about 7.5 degrees above where we should be for this time of the year when you average our high and low temperature together. So certainly, if you're a fan of summer, I know you're loving this forecast here. No signs of fall within the next 10 days. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.